Hello everyone, today we're diving into the Merseyside Derby, a match that always grabs the attention of football fans. Liverpool continues its fight for the Premier League title, while Everton remains stuck in the lower half of the table. Historically, the Reds have dominated this fixture, but in a high-intensity match like this, anything can happen. At the end of the video, I'll share a football fact of the day. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Telegram channel where I always have exclusive VIP bets for new followers. Now let's get started. Team analysis and statistics. Liverpool averages 1.9 goals per match and concedes 1. The team wins 6 corners per game and receives 1.3 yellow cards on average. Their bold playing style relies on high pressing and quick vertical attacks after winning possession. The key factor will be how well their forwards exploit space and convert chances. In their recent matches, Liverpool lost the cup final to Newcastle and suffered a defeat against PSG. But before that, they secured convincing wins over Southampton and Newcastle. And now let's talk about the visitors. Everton averages 1.2 goals per game, while conceding 1 and 1. They win 4.4 corners per match, but discipline remains an issue, 2.2 yellow cards per game. In their last 5 matches, Everton has recorded 4 draws and 1 victory. Head-to-head, in the last 40 meetings, Liverpool has won 20 times, Everton has managed just 4 victories, and 16 matches have ended in a draw. The average number of goals in these games is 2.3 per match, with both teams scoring in 40% of cases. Looking at their recent encounters, Liverpool holds a slight edge. 2 wins, 2 draws, and 1 victory for Everton. Betting tips and prediction. Liverpool enters the match as the clear favorite, but Everton's solid defensive play could make things difficult. So my main prediction is a 2-0 win for Liverpool. The Reds must bounce back after their last 2 defeats. They are the stronger side and have traditionally performed well against Everton. The outcome will largely depend on the first goal and the intensity of the battle. Based on the statistics and current form, here are some betting options to consider as well. Under 3.0 total goals. Everton prioritizes defense and derbies often have low scoring outcomes. Liverpool not to lose, plus under 3.5 goals. A combined bet for a safer play. Over 3.5 yellow cards. The Merseyside Derby is always a heated affair, leading to plenty of fouls. That's it for today, guys. Drop your comments and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Telegram channel for free VIP bets for new followers. See you next time, guys. Football facts of the day. The Liverpool Derby between Liverpool and Everton is the reddest in the Premier League history. Despite being known as the friendly derby, due to family ties between fans of both teams, things are far from friendly on the pitch. This fixture holds the record for the most red cards in Premier League history. As of 2024, referees have handed out 23 red cards in this matchup. One of the most intense clashes came in 1999 when Everton's Francis Jeffers and a young Steven Gerrard from Liverpool were both sent off after a heated altercation.